Hi there. My name is Chris Barenko. I am working on a business called Blendr, and we're doing some feedback research on a product that we're thinking about developing. Can I start by asking what your name is
Patrick Rowan.
and what is your major?
I am in computer science and studio art.
Awesome. All right. Well, the product that we're working on is pretty much to solve the problem of people not having the ability to listen to the music that they want to listen to when they're in a social setting, whether it's at a party or potentially at a function downtown or something like that. So it's we want to create an application that allows people to host their playlists and share them out to their friends and collaborate. And pretty much everyone that has access to the playlist can suggest songs, vote on the suggestions, and it kind of piece it together before whatever function happens, so that you don't have the scenario of 10 people gathering around the person with the aux cord or a DJ requesting songs because they want to hear what they want to hear downtown.
Yeah.
Do you think that type of product would be something that you would find useful?
Yeah. I mean, the hard part obviously would be integrating it with the people who are actually managing the music.
Mm-hmm.
But if it was widespread and I could use it, then yeah, I would use it. But if I could successfully use it.
Like, if it had a given user base, it seems like it'd be the platform to really solve the issue at hand that we've identified.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, just queuing up music from multiple sources, that would, that's the problem right there.
So we've thought about having the market being kind of both on the everyday people end and also maybe the businesses partnering up and almost using the same exact thing as like a platform for like a jukebox system, except everything's integrated through an app.
Yeah.
Would you say if you were downtown you would spend money on like a credit to put a song on if it was cheaper than the jukeboxes that they have at the bars currently?
If I was trying to impress a girl, then maybe. Otherwise, I don't really pay attention to the music that's playing downtown or anywhere. It would help. I think it'd be cool if it was not just businesses, but like if I could use it, if I wanted to, throw a party or something, and I could like just kind of plug in my phone and have it be the back end, and everybody votes on songs, and I don't have to manually DJ. I can just like let people decide on the music.
Have you been in that sort of circumstance where you kind of have a playlist already made and you're hosting a party and everyone's kind of bombarding you?
Yeah,
absolutely. You've been in those shoes?
Yeah, it's really annoying, especially because they usually choose bad music, and I mean, that's a potential problem there if you were to, the thing is people like the songs that they like, but they don't really know, and I'm not saying that I do, but like the I guess the art of DJing, the art of making a good playlist that people will enjoy, and people not understanding that leads to them, a bunch of girls just playing Closer over and over and over again because there's more girls and they all want to hear Closer over and over and over again. That doesn't make a very fun time, but like if you, I guess the ideal case is that you're gonna have a varied, like a, nuanced enough crowd that, someone can't, like one song can't monopolize the entire queue.
So you're identifying a potential issue almost being like the popular songs will still reign and it's not going to really change the dynamic. So if we're trying to like give people the opportunity to get their things that aren't the norm out there, it still might be a pitfall.
You definitely need some kind of mechanism to balance it in the case that people just start playing the same song over and over again, or just bad songs together. Like if there's a mood that you're going for, or like you play a really fast-paced song and then slow-paced songs. I feel like generally it's better to make it flow better.
Yeah. So we're kind of collecting all sorts of feedback to kind of identify what the best route to take. One thing that we've really thought of is not really creating a queue system. It's more of all the suggestions that are put up tied to the group can be voted on, and it kind of, given the popularity, it'll create sort of like a preference value and build the playlist from there, tying in genre and tying in a multitude of other things. So it kind of constructs a playlist, not just builds these are the most popular. So it's more intuitive than just
intelligent. Yeah.
These are the favorite songs from everyone here.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, building that out would definitely help go a long way to solving that problem.
Is there any other, just thinking about this type of idea, any other feedback that you find that you'd like to see in a product like this?
A free version? Yeah, and it makes sense to like maybe have like two different iterations of the app where, one is, the organizational group could pay like a couple bucks for it, and then the people using it, would be free, or like, paid depending on the provider of, or, I don't know how you'd name those two roles, but
yeah, so like where we see this kind of the direction being is have a free version that's like the basic version, and it might have a few limiter things, like your playlist can only have like 25 songs, or you can only share it to like 25 people. So it still does everything that you want it to, but it's not to the level that it could be. You could maybe have a premium version for like $2 a month, because we're not supplying music libraries. We're more of accessing the libraries from like Spotify and Pandora and all those streaming services, just to use the information and have like the created playlist exported back to those.
Okay.
So it would be additional to whatever streaming service you're already using, and a lot of businesses use like a business subscription for Pandora Pro, or Spotify has their own business oriented thing. So for those, we find that like we might make a lot of our income through the business, but the user base is going to be like spread through the free version, not the business oriented version.
Yeah. So
it's almost like, say you could use the thing that they have for the jukeboxes downtown, except for your own personal use, and it's like a tool that's useful. You would go downtown and be able to use that exact same app to cue the songs you want to for cost, because it's like in a public scene rather than in a private scene. Well, thank you so much for your time, and I'll keep you in the loop for what progress we make with this.
Awesome.
Thank you.